I have a store performing well with TikTok ads. What's the benefit to sell on Etsy? You'll make more money. It depends on the product. It depends so much on the product. If you're selling something on TikTok ads that's like very gimmicky, very plasticky, it might not work on Etsy because Etsy is typically more like unique and handmade items. But it might work really, really well, and you might just get a bunch of random sales. Because the way I actually started with Etsy dropshipping is I already had a product that was working incredibly well, and it still works 3 years later. With Facebook and Instagram ads, I was like, yeah, I'll just list it on Etsy. Maybe it'll make me a couple extra sales, whatever. I wasn't really thinking too much because it's so easy to list on Etsy. So I listed on Etsy and it just immediately took off and immediately started doing really, really well. We did like 30K in rev second month and it was okay. I kind of wasn't expecting it. Like I hadn't got VAs and employees set up on the account. I wasn't doing everything properly, but it just worked super, super well. I literally just listed the product. I literally listed 5 products and did nothing else. No paid ads, nothing, pure organic. And it just worked. So I was obviously very, very happy with that. Very simply, like that's just the best way to do it.